Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make kebab in the oven. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. Let's start with our ingredients. Half kilo of ground beef, prefer to be cut from the chuck or the shoulder area. I add 100 grams of lamb fat over it to keep the meat soft after cooking, and you have to mold it twice. We also gonna need fresh parsley, some onions and tomato. Half spoon of 7 spices, 1 spoon of sweet paprika, little bit of black pepper, little bit of sumac and some salt. We also gonna use a little bit of pomegranate molasses. And finally I have some wooden sticks. I'm gonna use it to grill the kebab. Put it in soak for around 2 hours to make sure that it will not burn during the cooking time. My friends, these are our ingredients, and now let's start doing our kebab. The first thing we're gonna do is chopping the onion. Put 1 big onion in the food processor and mold it. I have here half kilo of meat. I'm gonna use 1 onion. After molding the onion, take it out on a plate and squeeze it little by little in your hand to get rid of the water in it, like you see in the video. Then put it over the meat. After that, in the same pan, put the parsley and mold it too. When you finished, add it over the meat. Then add our spices and the salt except the sumac. Mix all together very well. Then start to make small balls from it. Each one around 150 grams, or depend how you like it. Make the balls, put it on a tray, cover it and put it on the fridge for around 2 hours to make the meat little bit hard. After 2 hours, take the meat out. On the oven tray, add a little bit of oil. Put the cold water in a small bowl and put the meat on the sticks. I'm gonna use here 3 sticks for each bowl because these sticks are thin and it's better to have a thicker stick. First put your hand in the cold water, then take the bowl out and put it on the sticks like you see in the video. We put a little water on our hands to prevent that the meat stick on the gloves. When you finish putting the meat on the stick, press hard on the top and the bottom of it to close it and prevent it to open during grilled time. I also have here some cut tomato and onion and bell pepper. I cut it big pieces like you see in the video. Put it on the stick and on the tray beside the kebab. Add some garlic cloves between the kebab sticks. Let's give it a nice aroma. Then put it in the oven. Put it in the middle shelf with the heat from below and leave it for 15 minutes. During that, let's prepare our plate where kebab goes. I cut a red onion in julienne like you see in the video, but you can use any kind of onion. Add over it a little bit of sumac, mix it up. Also we're gonna need some chopped parsley. On the plate where the kebab goes, put bread, any kind of bread, of course pita bread or shrek bread, thin bread. Add over it a little bit of pomegranate molasses. Then add the onion and the parsley. And that's it, our dish is ready for the kebab. After 15 minutes, turn the heat from up and down and leave the kebab grilled for 45 minutes or until it's done. My friends, this is our kebab after 45 minutes. Look delicious and well done. Take the tray out and put it on the plate. You can eat it with plain natural yogurt or with hummus, baba ganoush, or anything you like. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.